Hi, welcome to the Explore Atlassian Confluence training course. Today is day 7. I will guide you how to work with the macro or extensions in Confluence. Okay, let's get started. Open the browser and access to the Confluence page we are working on. This is the home page of the website development project with GNVS. On this page, I want to add some more macro here, which will be supported for some action. Let's go ahead to edit this page. You click on the pencil icon on the top hand side. For example, here I have first section. This is the welcome message. And underneath of the first section, I want to add a search box here, which will allow us to enter the keyword, and then it will beyond that keyword and search the content from the content tree. Yeah. So in order to add the extension or macro into the web page here, you click on the alert and arrow down button. Insert more content. It will display the content in the drop down list here. File and image, link, simple, emotion, and other things below. You see here, we don't have the search box feature in this drop down here. You go ahead to click on other macro option. It will open up a pop-up where you are able to see all of the macro available for our Jira system. You can also filter some of the macro for each group, like the administration, communication, Confluence content, and other things below. I back to the on, and because for now I want to add the search function, so I will tie in the search box here. I will name it the search. Enter. For the search, you see that we have 3 extensions: live search, page search, search result. So for the page search, you see the search definition here. It will provide a search box that search a hierarchy of pages, a page content tree from a specified root page. I will select that option. And you can also enter the name of root page. If not specified, the root page is the current page. I will select the current page, insert, and I will make this one a central alignment. Publish. And then you can see we have a search have been added here. For example, you want to search some keyword like the design. Enter. We don't have. Okay, let me enter it again. Yeah. So it will display the sign off contract with UI designer in the search result page. Yeah. You can go ahead to click on this one. It will open up detail page for the sign off contract with the UI designer. Yeah. Back to the home page. We can edit it and add another search here. Enter. As a macro, search again. Live search. Enter. Publish. Yeah. So here for the live search, I type in the design. Yeah. It will display the auto suggestion content below. The first set here, this is only the default one. It does not support for display the suggested information when we tie in the keyword into the text box. But the second option, this is live search, it will support to display the suggestion when we tie in the keyword into the text box. deck design, and then you can click on the search result below. It will open up the specified page here. Yeah. Okay. Back to the view, edit, and of course I will delete the page search. It is not better than the live search. Yeah, we can edit it. The sizing, you can select a medium or large. I will select a large, make it bigger, save it up, police. Yeah, it's bigger, and it seems when we setting it big, it look better than the small. We can edit this home page and able to add another macro into this. I delete this one. And click on the plus and Aurora button. Let's see we have anything to add into our video training. Insert, publish. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's all for today. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next lesson.